Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaner for sloped pools. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Xpert Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner. Xpert's Super Scuba S1 is geared specifically toward cleaning the walls of your pool, so it's a great option to clean those hard-to-reach places. The pool cleaner can go up walls that are up to 105 degrees and was able to clean our pool walls, as well as exit the water to clean the tiles. The pool cleaner arrived charged. All we had to do was unbox it, so setup was very simple during testing. When it came time to charge this model, the manufacturers noted it would take 3 to 4 hours, though we found it to charge in just 2 hours. Number 7 in my list is Polaris VRX IQ Plus Pool Cleaner. The Polaris VRX IQ Plus robotic pool cleaner with EquaLink control is the best pool cleaner if you prefer a unit that has multiple settings and is easy to transport. The pool cleaner comes with a steel caddy that makes it easy to move the unit from the pool to its storage spot. The robot cleaner features a 70-foot cable that comes in handy with each of the unit's cleaning settings. SMRT cycle, quick clean, deep clean, waterline only, and custom. It can be controlled via an app, which allows you to also do targeted spot cleanings. Number 6 in my list is Xpert Seagull 1000 Pool Cleaner. The Xpert Seagull 1000 cordless robotic pool cleaner is the best pool cleaner if your pool is on the smaller side. We appreciated that it was simple to assemble, and the cordless style made it easy to store between cleanings. The model is ideal for pools that are up to 50 feet long. Since it's cordless, you won't have to worry about any tangled cords while it navigates your pool. We found that it was effective and were impressed with how much the small model cleaned. However, you'll want to be careful when you lift it out of the water, as some debris may fall back into the pool. Number 5 in my list is Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Pool Cleaner. With built-in Wi-Fi and the option to connect to its own EquaLink app, the Polaris Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is the best pool cleaner if you prefer smart features. Whether home or away, you'll be able to control your robot right from your phone, including scheduling cleans and checking how dirty the filter is. You can also manually drive your robot around the pool and customize its cleaning pattern. Overall, we felt that the pool cleaner was effective at suctioning the pool walls and floor. It was able to easily climb up the water line, unlike some other models. Plus, it runs quietly and can be programmed to different cleaning modes based on what your pool needs. Number 4 in my list is Dolphin Automatic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the best robotic pool vacuum for in-ground pools. Easy to use and ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. This machine will clean your pool in just 2 hours. Plus, we found that it was lightweight and user-friendly. Dual scrubbing brushes effortlessly wipe down algae and grime, while a filter picks up even the finest particles of dirt and sand. Built-in sensors can detect obstacles at the bottom of your pool and avoid them with little interruption. The Nautilus is also designed to scale up pool walls and clean around stairs. Just keep in mind it won't scrub your water line. Overall, we felt that it was a highly effective model to consider. Number 3 in my list is Dolphin Escape Pool Cleaner. Above-ground pools are either made of steel, aluminum, or resin, so you'll need a robotic pool cleaner, like the Dolphin Escape, that is made to tackle these surfaces. This pick's design is compact and lightweight. Plus, it even flattened the lining in our pool. One thing to love about this robot is the ultra-durable pair of scrubbing brushes that can score away algae and other stubborn contaminants that can build up on the pool's floor. During testing, the pool cleaner was very effective, and it cleaned up all of the debris and leaves in the area the tested pool is located near a tree, so there was quite a bit of buildup. Number 2 in my list is Xpert Seagull Southeast Pool Cleaner. Xpert's Seagull Southeast Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a great choice if you're in the market for a less expensive option. The 7.6-pound cordless cleaner isn't as heavy as other models, and we found it was easy to place into the water. Setup was fairly simple, as all we had to do was attach the brushes. It's recommended you fully charge the pool cleaner before using it. During our first round of testing, we used whatever charge the unit already had when it arrived, and it seemed weak and slow. We fully charged the Seagull for the other two uses, however, and found that it picked up a majority of the debris in our pool. Number 1 in my list is Dolphin Explorer E50 Wi-Fi Automatic Pool Cleaner. Overall, the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner is the best pool cleaner to consider. After using the pool cleaner 3 times, we found that it was highly effective and easy to use. Overall, we gave this model a perfect score during testing. Although the pool cleaner is more expensive than other options, our testing proved to us why it was worth the investment. To start, setting up the unit was easy. All we had to do was plug it in and download the pool cleaner's app, which we found to be very user-friendly. There are a few cleaning cycles to choose from, but for our first round of testing, we gave one of the more advanced modes a try. It took 2.5 hours to clean our pool, and we found that easily picked up debris of all sizes. We also had similar results when trying other cleaning cycles that were shorter. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.